It's a lot of honey with some drone brood in here. So all in here is eggs that have just been laid. Here's just tons of honey and a bunch of brand new brood. See the queen there walking around? There's some brood on this one, but not a ton. This is the white hive. Here's the queen right here. So several queen cells here, here. Some amount of brood in here, not a lot. Bunch of hive beetles on here. I don't like that at all. This is a test for American foul brood I'm going to do. Put some of the bees in here. Alright, so I've done the test. It appears to be negative. If it was positive, you'd see the two lines. There's only the one line here on the control. So it's not American foul brood. Probably died from something else, probably varroa mites or something like that.